Hi, I'm Mr. Huber, and I would like to solve these three exercises each and every time with the given logarithm function. So the first one, 3 to the x is equal to 17. Well, we need to use ln. So ln of 3 to the x is ln 17. Why are we allowed to do that? Because we know this rule here. Let's write it here. Log to the base of a of b to the c is the same thing as c times the log to the base of a of b. So now I can take out the x. Ln 3, like this, is equal to ln 17. Or we divide by ln 3, because this is just a number, and we get x is ln 17 over ln 3. Well, we could have done it. Well, let's just first type it in like this. ln 17 divided by ln 3. Well, this is approximately 2.58. Approximately 2.58. With our calculator, with this key, we could have done it with the right key. We could have done it like this. 3 to the x is equal to 17. Then log to the base of 3. Well, that would have been log to the base of 3 of 3 to the x is equal to log to the base of 3 of 17. Well, 3 to the what is 3 to the x? Well, it's x. And now log to the base of 3 of 17. Just type this in. Log to the base of 3 of 17. Well, we get the exact same thing. 7.58 approximately. Well, you see, apparently, log to the base of 3, log to the base of 3 of 17 is the same thing as ln 17 over ln 3. That's the change of base rule. But well, you don't even have to know that here. You just do it. Here, next question. 5 to the x is 22, and we have to use the log key, the log function, the log to the base of 10. So log to the base of 10 of 5 to the x is 20, is log of 22. Well, again, we use this rule. We can take out the exponent. Log of 5, x times log of 5 is log of 22. We divide by this number, log of 22 over log of 5. Let's type this in. Log of 22 divided by log of 5. Well, we get 1.92 approximately. 1.92. Well, 5 to the 1.92 is 22. Well, with our calculator, again, we could have done it like this. Use the log to the base of 5 function. So it's log to the base of 5 to the x is log to the base of 5 of 22. Well, 5 to the what is 5 to the x? Well, that's obviously x. And then we type this in. Log to the base of 5 of 22. We get 1.92 again, approximately. 1.92. Well, you may think this is the better version, but I want you to do this each and every time with ln or log, because we're never sure if you have a calculator that has this key on there. So you're not dependent on that key. So please make sure that you always use ln or log. Well, when I solve these exercises, I will, from after this exercise, from then on, I will only use ln. Well, here 2/5 to the x is 1/8. Here we are supposed to use log to the base of 3. So log to the base of 3 of 2/5 to the x is log to the base of 3 of 1/8. Now we can take out the x, log to the base of 3 of 2/5, log to the base of 3 of 1/8. This is just a number. So x is log to the base of 3 of 1/8 over log to the base of 3 of 2/5. Well, let's type this in. Log to the base of 3 of 1/8, 1/8 over log to the base of 3 of 2/5. This is apparently 2.27 approximately. 2.27. Again, with our calculator, we could have done it like this. 2/5 to the x is equal to 1/8. Then we use this key, log to the base of 2/5. So we get log to the base of 2/5 of 2/5 to the x is equal to log to the base of 2/5 of 1/8. Well, this is very cumbersome, isn't it? And then 2/5 to the what is 2/5 to the x? Well, that's obviously x again. So log to the base of 2/5 of 1/8. So let's type this in. Log 2/5 of 1/8. Again, approximately 2.27. So please, whenever you have to solve something like this, use the ln function or the log function. Do not use this function anymore. Well, obviously, if you know what you're doing, but well, there will be some exercises where it will be easier if you stick to this one than if you do it like this. So just trust me, and I'll see you in the next one.